Hi guys! Today I will be doing some cool and funny things on my computer. And also thanks to TheRobloxBoi for making the Roblox Boy videos more high quality and stuff. So let's get started. First off, let's do some Roblox. Use the bowling ball. Let's see here. Oh. Okay, gotta be careful. Gotta go fast. Grab more bowling balls. The abandoned bowling alley? What's that thing? Okay then. There we go! Okay, I've made it to this giant claw machine. Whoa. Okay, now I'm out of the claw machine. Now I just have to jump over this stuff on the top here. Okay, now I am in the attic. Well, the girl just failed down. Yes, I did it. Okay, now let's do some... What indeed?
Thanks for watching. Click the thing on the right for more of the Roblox Boy content. And also, we're probably doomed from this point on because of my day.